here! Tom! Where are my shoes? Mom! Where are my shoes?
Which shoes, honey?
My white shoes! I need them today.
Why do you need them today?
I have a dance show at school today.
Oh, right, the dance show. Did you check your room?
Yes! I checked my room. I checked under my bed. I checked my closet too.
That's strange. Maybe they are in the living room.
I already looked there. They are not in the living room. They are not in my room. Where are they?
Don't worry, Emma. We will find them.
But the show starts soon. I'm scared. Tom? Tom, come here. What? What do you want? Did you take my shoes? Your shoes? No, I didn't take your shoes. Are you sure? You always go into my room. I don't always go into your room. That's not true. Yes, you do. Last week, you took my pencils. That was just one time. I gave them back. Well, maybe you took my shoes too. I didn't. I don't even like your shoes. Just give them back, Tom. Please. I can't give them back because I don't have them. Mom! Tom is lying to me. I'm not lying. Why don't you believe me? Because you always hide my things. You hid my pencil last month. That was an accident. I told you that. An accident? You hid it under your bed. I forgot it was there. I said sorry. Well, now you hid my shoes too. Where are they, Tom? I don't know where your shoes are. Stop yelling at me. I'm not yelling, I'm just really upset. You're always upset with me. That's because you're always annoying. No, you're the annoying one.
Whoa! What's going on here?
Dad, Tom hid my shoes. My dance show is in 1 hour. I didn't hide anything. She won't believe me.
Okay. Everyone, stop for a second.
But Dad, this is important.
I know. That's why we need to think clearly, not fight. Right now, fighting won't find the shoes. Let's solve the problem first.
Okay, you're right.
Good. Now, Emma, when did you see your shoes last?
I think I wore them yesterday. We went shopping yesterday.
That's right. We all went to the mall together.
Did you wear your white shoes to the mall, Emma?
Yes, I remember now.
So maybe the shoes are still in the car.
Let's go check the car right now.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's open the trunk.
Please be there. Please be there. Please be there.
Look! Here they are!
My shoes! You found them! See? I told you I didn't take them. You're right, Tom. I'm sorry I blamed you.
We put the shopping bags in the trunk yesterday. The shoes were probably with the bags.
And nobody noticed because we were all tired.
I'm just so happy we found them.
Quick, Emma! Put on your shoes.
Okay, I'm putting them on now. Do you need your dance bag too? Yes, it's by the door. I'll get it for you. Thank you, Tom. You're so kind. You're welcome, sister. I'm sorry we fought today. Me too.
It's okay, everyone. Now let's go. Next time, let's put shoes by the door.
Good idea, Dad.
Let's go!
We face the barren forest.
Mom, wake up! There is something outside. Look at the shadow. It is so big. I am scared. What is it, Tom?
Everybody, stay inside the tent. Do not move. Be quiet.
Today is the day! We are going to Canada!
I am so excited. I want to see the mountains and the big trees. I want to see a bear. Are there bears in Canada, Dad?
Yes, Tom, there are bears. But they live in the forest. We will not see one. Do not worry.
Okay, everyone, bags in the car. Let's go!
Wow. Look at that lake. It is so blue. And the mountains. They are very tall. I can see snow.
This is beautiful. I love it here.
Our campsite is near the river. We will set up the tent before dark.
Can I help, Dad?
Of course, you are a great helper, Tom.
Welcome to Banff. Enjoy your trip.
Wow, look at the mountains, kids. We made it.
Wow! This hot dog is delicious. Can I have one more?
Okay, but this is the last one. It is getting late.
Dad, look at the stars. There are so many.
Yes. In the city, we cannot see stars like this. It is special here.
Remember, children, put all the food inside the box. Do not leave food outside.
Why, Mom? Because animals can smell food. Bears love food. Bears? Cool. Emma, do you hear that? Mom, wake up! There is something outside.
Everybody, stay inside the tent.
Do not move. Be quiet.
Oh no, it is a bear. A very big bear.
Do not run. Do not make noise. Stay calm.
Is that the bear I wanted to see?
Yes, but this is not the right time. Please be quiet, Tom.
Is it gone?
Yes, it is gone. Good job, everyone. You were very brave.
That bear was so big. Bigger than our car. Whoa! I was very scared. My heart was fast, like this. Bum, 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 bum.
Me too, Emma.
Mom, you said the food box was important. You were right.
The bear smelled the food. But the box was closed, so it left.
We were safe because we followed the rules.
Always listen to the rules in nature.
Look what you've drawn. That's amazing.
I know, I'm so proud of her.
That's wonderful.
I am drawing the bear. Look, Dad.
Wow, that is a great drawing. Your bear looks very scary. I love the teeth.
I am writing our story. The night we met a giant bear in Canada.
This is a trip we will never forget.
Can we go back to Canada next year? Maybe we will see the bear again.
Maybe, Tom. Maybe.
Dad made a wrong plan.
I booked the wrong hotel.
Did you read the full name?
Dad, are you okay?
I have a plan.
Why is Dad running?
He forgot the food.
That is very small, Dad.
It is a snack. Perfect! Family! I have big news. We are going on vacation.
Really? Where?
We are going to the beach. It is going to be perfect.
When do we go? Tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow morning.
Did you book the hotel?
I have a plan.
What is the plan, Dad?
Our plan is very simple. We will find a hotel when we get there.
That is not a yes. Tom, do not put your dinosaurs in the suitcase.
But Mom, they want to go to the beach too.
Honey, where are my shorts?
In the closet, where they always are.
I don't see them.
There, right there.
Oh, I see them now. Thank you.
Are we there yet?
No, Tommy. We just left.
Are we there yet?
Still no.
Are we?
No!
I'm hungry.
We have food in the bag. Right, honey?
I forgot the food bag.
Wow! This hotel has dogs!
I think I booked the wrong hotel.
What do you mean, wrong hotel?
It says Hotel Sunset. I booked Hotel Sunset. But this one is for dogs.
Did you read the full name?
I read Hotel Sunset. I stopped there.
Are we dogs?
Can I be a dog, please? I want to stay here.
We are here! The beach! Look!
The sky is very dark, Dad.
No. It is fine. Let's swim!
Honey, look at the sky.
I am very wet now.
A little cloud, you said.
It got bigger. Okay, plan B, there is a restaurant near here. Let's eat.
Is it open?
Yes, it opens at 11 a.m. It is 7 p.m.
Plan C?
There is a mini mart. They have sandwiches.
This is very small.
Yes, yes it is.
Dad,
Yes, Tom?
this is my best vacation ever.
Really?
Yes, I met a dog. I ate a sandwich in the rain. And I have Mr. Dino!
See? Perfect.
Next time, I book the hotel.
Yes!
Yes.